Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we'll be managing network access for Azure Storage. So let's go ahead and start. So here under security and networking, click the networking and the second option, which is enable from selected virtual networks and IP addresses. Click that and add the existing virtual network. So select the appropriate subscription and select the virtual network. From the architecture we can see, and another subnet. So you can see under this particular VNet, under this subnet we have this VM. So we have to add that configurations and just click add. So it's done. So once it is done, add your IP. So client IP address, click that as well and click save. So once that is done, we have to go to private and we have to try to access the blobs SaaS URL. So I guess I've not so if I go back, so generate SaaS and let's do the same operations here and generate the URL. Copy this and let's try to put incognito mode and just paste it. So you can see now we were able to download it. Click that. You can so this is the file, the MIT license. So this is expected because we are using our client IP and we have also implemented this before. So if we go back and so let's go to the Cloud Shell and in the Cloud Shell let's add the commands. Here let's paste that URL that we have copied. So this was that URL. So if you remember the previous few seconds ago, we were able to download the license. Now let's add this. Authorization request is not authorized. So you can see we were able to get a authorization failure request. So this has been done because the request is not authorized to perform this operation, and this is expected since we are connecting with the IP address assigned to an Azure VM hosting the Cloud Shell instance. So that is the end of the video. So I hope you guys have understood the concept, and if you like the video, please click like below, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thank you.